Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. By the title of this video, I am doing my first wash and go attempt, I should say, to do my first wash and go. I just actually did a maximum or extreme hydration technique. It was a 3-part technique, so I'll link that video right above here, right about now, so you guys can check that out to see how I got my hair super hydrated after having dry and crusty hair. So I'm just continuing from that video because I literally just finished doing that video. So I want to do this as a second part of that, as a wash and go attempt once again. So again, I've been natural for a very long time. Let's just say about 7 years now, and I have never ever attempted to do a wash and go. This is a wash and go on 4C hair. I have seen other YouTube influencers do it with my texture here, so I'm like, hey, if they can do it, why can't I? So I'm just gonna do like a side part, and the part is not completely straight, but let's just see here. Ooh, that's even more crooked. Lord have mercy. Well, you know what? It's gonna do. So let's go ahead and try to do this wash and go. Please keep your fingers crossed for me, guys. Keep your fingers crossed for me. I need all the help that I can get right now. Because I like the wash and go look. But I just never attempted to do it because I never thought I had the type of texture here that would do it. So let's just see. You know, trial and error. Sometimes you might do it the first time, it may not come out right, and then the second time you do it, it may come out better than before. So, you know, it's just try by error. You wouldn't know unless you try, right? So with that being said, I'm going to use 2 products and see how that works. So the 2 products that I am going to use in today's video will be my Wetline, which I have not used yet, but this is the Extreme Wetline. Big jug. I think I got this at Walmart, and I got it for like, had to be maybe about under $6 or $7 for this big bottle. So that's a good buy. And I am going to use, along with that, the SCurl Texturizer Styling Gel. Yeah, so those are the 2 products that I'm going to use, and of course some water because my hair dries really fast. And I'm going to do these in small sections to see how, you know, hopefully I can get more of the defined look with smaller sections. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just, like I said, I'm going to use small sections and see how that goes. Let me get a little closer so you guys can see what I'm doing. Up close and personal. I want to cut my face off, but I don't want to. So, okay. So, this is my hair freshly washed, like I said before. I think what I need to get, and I don't know if I brought it in here. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. I came to get my detangler brush. So, let's go ahead and just do small sections at a time. I'm going to use my Wetline first. I don't know if it's any particular way to do it, if I should use the Wetline or the SCurl first, but I'm just going to use the Wetline first for this part of the video. Let's see. Then I'm going to use the SCurl Texturizer. Wow. My hair is even like super long too. Look at that. I am loving it already. Oh, wow. That is amazing, guys. Look at that. Let me come closer. Can you guys just see? The curls are popping. All right, let's go. Because this is gonna, if I keep doing this, it's gonna take forever and a day. I can probably do bigger sections too. Let's see here. And I'm not using too much of the products. Just a generous amount, not like overly. Oh. Yes, yes. Okay. Oh, buddy. Yeah. Okay. Let me not get too happy too soon, right? Are you guys seeing this? Whose hair is this? This is not 4C hair. Whose hair is this? Whose hair is on my head? Whose hair is on my head? Now that I see this is really working, I don't have to do it so small. Never underestimate the 4C hair, guys. Let me do it a little smaller here. Twirl. Oh, it's amazing. Look at that, guys. All right, let's keep going. Alright, so this is the front. I'm just going to start twisting the front now. Whew. Now the front of my hair is a little bit more on the coarse side. So let's just see how this works to the front. Let's put some on the ends. I'm going to put a generous amount, not too much, but enough where, let me step on my stool. So I just put the wet line, that's what you see here. Okay, and now I'm gonna put the, I put the wet line on, apply it onto my hair, on my strands, and then when I start twisting, I use the SCurl to start twisting it. Like I'm doing right now. See, just a little. Do these really small. It's a very, very time-consuming project here. And what I probably will do with this is once it dries, I'm gonna let it air dry, but once it dries, I'm gonna probably just pick the roots and do, stretch it out. I'm not gonna stretch it out with heat, I'm just gonna stretch it out with, when I put my bands to kind of stretch it out after it dries. want to twirl it all the way to the ends. That. Okay. So I'm just going to continue doing that until I am finished. I still have a bunch over here. Still have a lot to do, so. Finally finished, guys. So this is the final product, and all of this white stuff you see here, it's gonna dry. As you see here, it pretty much dried in. As my hair dry, it kind of soaks its way in to my hair, so don't mind all this white stuff. That white residue will actually soak in once my hair is dry. As you see, like I said, it was the same way over here. This side of my hair is dry now. This side is almost dry, so you see this little slight residue there, but that's again gonna work its way in once it dries in. Once my hair dries up, so this is it. Very loose, very bouncy. Took me about 2 hours, but I had to stop and put my little one down for his nap. Then I was able to finish the front, so that's the reason why you didn't see me do the front part of my hair, is because I just wanted to get it done. I'm like tied standing here and twisting. So let me show you the sides, the back. And the front. So I'll show you guys probably the next day, so kind of see what it looks like after it dries. But what I'm going to do tonight before I go to bed, I'm going to stretch it. So I'm going to band it with probably put it in 4 sections and just stretch it out for the night. And then when I wake up in the morning, take out the bands. I'm going to show you this is what I usually use. These. So I'm going to get 4 of these, section my hair in 4, and just band it down to the ends, from the root to the ends. And I'll show you the next day what my hair looked like stretched in this wash and go state. So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this. If you do like content like this, of course, give me a thumbs up and comment if you would like to see more wash and go videos for 4C type hair, as well as just like in this video, it really helps with the algorithm for my channel. So you guys giving me a thumbs up, and you guys also hitting that subscribe button right about here helps my channel grow. So I really thank you guys in advance for subscribing to my channel, going through this hair journey with me this year. I really am thankful and appreciative of you guys. And for anyone who's new to my channel, welcome. And again, before I close on this video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and do not forget to hit that notification bell for upcoming videos from Hang with T. So again, I thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.